Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to understand about the promises in JS. So promises is nothing but it act as a placeholder for the future value, and it reflects the eventual outcome of the asynchronous task. So there are the three kinds of states. Promise can be done in the three states, like a pending, fulfill and rejected. So initial state indicating the operation is ongoing. Fulfill means the operation is successfully completed and promise holder resulting the value. And rejected means promise operation encountered on the error and the promise holder error information. So today we are taking one example here. So here you can see that a make the function we have used, and here you can see that promise executor we have used, and it will be returning the new promises. And here you can see that we have used the set timeout callback, and which is a 2000 millisecond, which is nothing. It will be taking around a 2 second. After that you can see that we have used the random number, and we have printed the random number. And here you can see that we have used the if and else condition. So if it is less than the random number, less than 0.5, then it will be using the resolve state. But if it is a random number is greater than 0.5, then it will be going into the reject state. And resolve state actually fulfill, going into the fulfill block, and reject state, it will be going into the on rejected block. So let's see what should be the output of this console log of a make t. So after the taking the 2 second, here you can see that random number is less than 0.5. So here t is ready. But if I'm once again, if I'm printing the console log, so here you can see that random number is greater than the 0.5. So that is the reason it will be throwing in error. There was an error in making a t, and here it will be actually throwing the error inside this catch block.